Hello, and welcome to this new Pro Radio tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will focus on the layout options. The maximum width defines the size of the website container. While reduced, you can obtain a boxed effect, revealing the right and left sides of the page background. The container shadow adds a shadow effect to the page, highlighting the content from the background. The Load More switch, once active, enables the alternative pagination for every archive, replacing the default numeration pages. This is visible while previewing any archive page. If disabled, the numbers will be back again. The blog post sidebar switch, instead, acts on the single page of the blog posts. Once enabled, a single post sidebar will be available in the article page template. The post items corner radius influences the rounded corners of the single archive items for every post type, while the shadow adds an effect to the same archive items, separating them from the background. With the last option, Archives Template, you can instead change the default view for any archive page. The theme has 6 available templates, and it will influence the blog archives and the category pages. Once you're happy with the result, remember to click Publish. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.